Did you know Elon Musk's Starlink is changing the game for internet access worldwide? Here's why Starlink beats traditional internet providers and why it matters to you. Starlink is a satellite internet network launched by SpaceX, aiming to deliver high-speed internet anywhere on Earth, even remote places where regular providers can't reach. Second, low latency. Older satellite internet systems had high delays because their satellites orbit far away. Starlink satellites orbit at just around 550 kilometers, cutting latency drastically. Third, easy setup and mobility. Starlink's user terminals are compact and user-friendly. You just point the dish at the sky and the system auto-connects to satellites. No complex installation needed. Fourth, speed and scalability. Starlink offers speeds between 100 Mbps to over 300 Mbps, comparable to many urban fiber connections. Finally, innovation and vision. Backed by Elon Musk's vision, Starlink is not just about internet. It's part of a broader plan to fund space exploration and bring connectivity to the entire globe. So, whether you're in a city or out in the middle of nowhere, Starlink's satellite network is paving the way for truly global, reliable, and fast internet. Have you tried Starlink yet? Comment your experience below.